The Equations tool allows you to input chemical formulas and equations by using the provided buttons or typing in the equation bar. The buttons provided vary depending on the question. Sometimes you will see the periodic table where you can click on any element to add the symbol, or you will be provided with only the elements you would need, or sometimes you will only be provided with numbers and symbols. To input chemical formulas, click on the buttons provided or use the keyboard to type. When adding numbers, if placed before a letter, it will automatically add as a coefficient, whereas adding a number after a letter adds it as a subscript. To add a superscript, switch the toggle to superscript so that the cursor moves to the superscript position. Then add a charge symbol and number if needed. You can also click on the plus or minus charge symbols to add them without having to toggle on the superscript. Alternatively, there are keyboard shortcuts if you want to exclusively type in the equation bar. To add a superscript, press Ctrl and the number or symbol. Or to toggle on the superscript, hit Shift and 6. To type an arrow, type the greater than symbol. To edit an existing equation, click into the equation bar. You can also use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move the cursor. You can reference these directions at any time by clicking on the info button in the top left corner. Additionally, the settings allows you to hide or show different buttons, as well as turn on the Show Info on Hover option. This allows you to see the information for each chemical symbol if you hover over it in the equation bar.